Hi YouTubers, welcome to the channel, and today we are coming from Hockenheim. We're here for the HEIZR sort of track day for HEIZR members, but we've been invited along as part of the AMG Private Lounge. So I'll start videoing and letting you see what wonderful things we see today. Stay on the channel. So here we have Jules's C63 AMG. Alongside it we have Luca's very well looked after SL. He's going to be showing this today, be on show at this HEIZR show. I think he said he only has 40,000 kilometers on it, which is very impressive for a car of this age. And here we have Cindy's GTR, an absolute beast of a car, a beautiful car. He's also here at the event. And actually thinking of going along, I think this is Beyond's AMG as well. Yeah. Beyond's CLA 45. And as you can see, they've got very nice parking spaces in the shade. Okay, so we'll carry on with the event and see what happens. Straight from the hotel, you can get straight onto perusing the track. I'll show you some of the action that we're looking at this morning. There's some of us sitting there already watching the entertainment. Here we are on the track of Hockenheim for a group photo with the AMG Private Lounge. So as you can see, there's a huge selection of both classic, old and new cars. It's such a great selection, and all these will get their moments out on track here at Hockenheim to relive their racing moments. It's a great experience here, and with the AMG Private Lounge, they've looked after us, given us some caps to keep us shaded from the sun, giving us some drinks and some food. Yeah, so it's really nice being part of the AMG Private Lounge and getting that. There's so much to see here. It's my first time ever being at a HEIZR event. They do this every year. It's really good. Here at Hockenheim they do this. I'd highly recommend coming and seeing what's on show yourself. It's a great experience. So here we have parking for owners of older cars. I think it was 20 years or over, and they can then display their own cars in this display. There's loads of cars here. As I walk around I might show you some. But a great experience of aged classics.